Welcome to stock number VU1255, your 2015 Tiguan. See here, rear brakes are good with 9mm. Your suspension components are all in great condition, no concerns. This vehicle has very low miles with just over 13,000 miles. Tires are also in great condition at 7/32. We have brand new brakes installed in the front here. For the front suspension, again, immaculate, no concerns. Take a walk around the front. We can see the body is in great condition as well. You can hear there's no abnormal noises coming from the engine. We just had an oil change performed on this. No leaks from the engine or transmission. This is a 4-motion with a 2-liter turbo. Take a look inside. You can see the interior is in great condition. Take a look in the front. We can see mileage at 13,348. Your radio here, touch screen. Overall, this vehicle is in very good condition. Take a look. Base comes with a spare tire here. Roadside assistance kit. Thank you for stopping and looking at VU1255 2015 Gray Tiguan. Thank you.